Welcome to SuperBox, the best streaming solution for 2024. Our latest offering, the SuperBox S6 Max and S6 Ultra, effortlessly transforms any TV into a smart TV with its plug-and-play functionality and advanced voice command function. With seamless internet connectivity, you gain access to a world of content, making it a one-time purchase for a lifetime of entertainment. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple process of connecting your SuperBox S6 Max and Ultra to the internet. Once you've unboxed the device and plugged in a power supply, and connected it to your TV via HDMI cable, the device will power on automatically. During the initial setup, you'll have the option to connect to your Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable. Notably, the Ethernet port of the SuperBox S6 Max and Ultra delivers impressive speeds of up to 1000 megabits per second, ensuring a highly reliable network connection. Additionally, it offers support for dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G, and is Wi-Fi 6 compatible, enhancing the stability of your streaming experience to the maximum extent possible. Once you've completed the setup, you can easily switch internet connections at any time. Simply navigate to the settings icon on the left side of the screen, select Network and Internet, and choose the desired Wi-Fi network for seamless switching. Setting up time and language. To configure your time and language settings on your SuperBox S6 models, follow these simple steps. 1. Navigate to the home screen and tap the gear icon located on the left side. 2. Select Device Preferences. Then choose Date and Time. 3. Tap on Automatic Date and Time, and select Use Network Provided Time. You can also set your time zone by clicking Set Time Zone and selecting your local time zone. Four. Return to Device Preferences and select Language. Here, you can change the language of your device to your preferred option.